Hello everyone, this is Mona Lisa Joshi and I am the founder, director and chief editor of Plethora Blogazine. And as you are all aware that sometimes back I made a post in the group that we have transformed ourselves into a publishing house recently. So I thought let's make a video and introduce you about the way we are going to operate and what are the models of publishing we have. So before telling you that, I would like to first of all give you this amazing news that the moment this announcement came, many writers started connecting, but this whole thing as a uh, proper new horizon, I could say, that we have come into shape has become possible, or maybe I could say that this awakening happened because of Antara Banerjee. So there's a reason behind it, uh, that she wanted to do a book with Plethora Blogzine, and I was slightly skeptical that should I go ahead with the process of publishing a book or not. But then I connected with my advisor, the legal advisor, and she suggested that yes, I have all the documents, so I can go ahead. And so we have the first manuscript with us of Antara Banerjee, and this is a big news. She is a great writer, a strong feminist, I would say, who doesn't fear to express her emotions and thoughts towards women and the things that are happening today. So she's a quite bold feminist, I would say, and we have received her manuscript, and it's really a proud moment for us that we are going to work together and we are going to bring this book soon. Presently, we have 3 projects in our hand, so we would be doing them under our publishing banner. Now, how we are going to operate as a publishing house, I would like to give you some brief about it. Presently, we have 2 models, the hybrid one and the traditional publishing mode. In hybrid mode, the author has to pay for some services that he or she is going to avail, and for the traditional publishing mode, we will go through the manuscript, evaluate it. Our in-house editor, Mr. Deepak K. Chaudhary, will evaluate it, and after evaluating and calculating the market potential of the manuscript, we might consider it for traditional publishing, but for that you will have to give the author who gets chosen for the traditional publishing, there's a one-time price for the editing that the authors will have to pay, and no book shall pass from our publishing house if it's not edited by our in-house editor. So that is the clause we have kept. And in hybrid publishing, there's a price that you will get all the information in the website and the link in description, so you can get all the details. So if you feel that you have a book proposal for us and you feel that it can be fitted in any of the publishing modes, like we have traditional and the hybrid one, so you can send us your book proposal to editorial@plethorablogazine@gmail.com, and in 1 month of time you would get the response from us. So this is about our publishing house, but as we have started as our journey as a blogazine or as a digital magazine, so that will stay. That thing is not going anywhere. We will keep on bringing digital issues. For that we will take submissions, like in quarterly basis, or maybe, or could be frequent, it depends. There would be again prompts in the group. That is something that keeps the writers so involved, and it brings many rewards along with it. And now that we have started this new venture being a publishing house, we are also looking more for fiction books. So I would like to be very clear about this thing, that currently we are looking more for fiction projects. So if you have a book proposal, you can send it to us. Now I would like to tell you something about this new thing, the new page that we have started, and it's powered by Plethora Blogzine. she remains the mother and every other page would be the sister concern. So it's the 1 hour talk show, and this concept is something that will bring you all the authors who are going to get published under our banner. We are going to interview them, and it's going to be a 1 hour talk show, and we will ask them about their writing journey and how was their experience with us and what is the book about and many other things. But it will be a 1 hour talk show where authors published under our banner will be interviewed. And we have also started our podcast channel, through which we would also air the interviews that we would be doing in the 1 hour show. They would be podcasted, and of course through our YouTube channel they would be streamed. So if you also have something in form of stories that you would like to do or convert into an audiobook, so you can get it done by us through our podcast channel. It's really getting great appreciation, and the process is really beautiful. The journey itself is quite interesting. So we are also going to bring prompts on it. So we are going to do some audiobooks as with multiple authors, and we will stream them through our podcast channel. So many things are in store for future that we will slowly reveal in the group, in the website. And for now that we have turned into this new publishing house, we really would love to read your book proposals. We are seeking good literary content and hope that you have something for us, and we would be able to do justice to your manuscript. So keep connected and visit the website for more details. The link is in description, and all stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you so much.